June 17th, 1972, the Rolling Stones album Exile on Main Street started a 4-week run at the top of the United States charts. The double album, regularly regarded as one of the band's best ever, features Rocks Off, Rips This Joint, and Happy, and Tumbling Dice. Okay.
Who is this?
Rolling Stones.
Rolling Stones.
Never really was a big Rolling Stones fan, so I don't know too much.
Too many people like them.
Yeah.
I don't understand why, to be honest with you. They had a couple good fucking songs.
Couple good. So like I said, they're a band that you can listen to the radio songs, but you're never listening to a fucking. At least me, for anyway, I'm never gonna listen to their albums from front to back. Unlike these guys.
Yeah.
I can do that. I can do that.
What, the guitar?
No, I can fucking listen to an AC/DC album from the back.
June 17, 1973, Dolly Parton recorded I Will Always Love You in RCA Studio B in Nashville, written for her one-time partner and mentor Porter Wagoner, who were splitting professionally at the time. The song was a later worldwide hit for Whitney Houston.
And also a #1 song was These Tits Are Made for Grabbing, and that's just what you'll do. Every guy's gonna grab these tits and squeeze all over.
The two.
Squeeze all over the two. Oh, Dolly. Oh, Dolly Parton.
Well, Dolly.
That bitch is 100 years old and still looks like she's 60.
Well, that's because her face is plastic.
Her and Michael, man. They say keeping the fucking Lego industry alive.
I don't know. What? Because they're ordering their plastic from Lego or something?
I guess.
I don't get it. I guess.
That last song from Dolly Parton, it was never a song, guys. She never made a song.
Well, it was a parody of her song.
1978, June 17th, Andy Gibb becomes the first solo guitarist. They had Atari.
What do you play, the Atari?
They had Atari in 78. Oh, they did have Atari.
What do you play, the Atari?
I'm an Atarist. I fucking play mean ping pong. 1978, Andy Gibb on the 17th of June became the first solo artist in U.S. history on the charts to have his first 3 releases at #1. Damn. When Shadow Dancing hit the top of the chart, spending 7 weeks at #1, it became the best-selling single in the United States in 1978. What was the other 2?
I don't know, but I don't even know what the fuck Shadow Dancing is. So.
Neither do I. I don't even know who Andy Gibb is.
Me neither. June 17, 2000, it was reported that sales of pirate music CDs had now exceeded more than 500 million a year and accounted for 1 in every 5 sold.
Yeah.
The phonographic industry estimated it was costing the music industry $5.1 billion in lost sales.
And Lars Ulrich was going batshit crazy. I'm telling you guys. Fucking nuts.
He was fucking
walking around in his underwear and his fucking robe.
I can't believe it. 5.1 billion lost in sales. I don't even. Is Lars Ulrich fucking German or British or something?
He's like Austrian or something.
And this was only 2000, guys.
Right.
Internet was just fairly brand new. Now, fucking fast forward 5 years, 2005, everybody had internet.
It was like when the CD burner and the CD got popular and the CD burner, dude, everybody was doing it. That's all you found. Like when you seen back in the day, you seen mixtapes and shit. That was just tapes that fucking people were recording off the radio and shit.
Well, not only that, even like a full album of somebody's, nobody ever had the actual CD.
No.
It was always written.
Right.
Something written in marker on the damn CD. All right. And it sounded just as good.
Did. We didn't care. We don't care. We don't care. 2007, on the 17th of June, the Traveling Wilburys went to #1 on the UK album charts with The Collection. The line of the Wilburys was George Harrison, which is also Nelson Wilbury, Jeff Lynne, which is Otis Wilbury, Roy Orbison, which is Lefty Wilbury, Tom Petty, which is Charlie T. Wilbury Jr., and Bob Dylan, which is Lucky Wilbury.
Talk about a hell of a lineup there, huh?
Right.
Yep.
I'll take them all but Bob Dylan.
I don't even know who Jeff Lynne is, but I'll take him.
Yeah, over Bob Dylan all day.
2015, in an interview with Forbes, former Cream drummer.
Maybe that's why they call him Lucky. You're lucky to be here, Bob.
Lucky to be in this group, Bobby. Former Cream drummer George Baker had some unkind words for Led Zeppelin.
Really?
Jimmy Page is a good player. I don't think Led Zeppelin filled the void that Cream left, but they made a lot of money. About Zeppelin drummer John Bonham, Baker said he wasn't anywhere near what I am. He wasn't a musician. Baker also lashed out at the entire genre of heavy metal, saying, I loathe and detest heavy metal. I think it is an abortion.
Oh, my goodness.
This dude's mad.
Oh, that dude was pissed. Took his mic with him and his stand.
He's mad because fucking Eric Clapton left Cream and fucking
Did fucking great shit.
Great shit.
Great, yeah. Cream, I mean, I think that guy was the problem.
It sounds like it from this.
Yeah, man, this guy was fucking, ginger. He's fucking ginger. He was very a ginger.
Ginger Baker. What kind of name is he? Yeah, fuck. Probably, right? Whose name's your boy Ginger, first of all?
Birthday, 17th of June, 1946. American singer-songwriter Barry Manilow, born as Barry Allen Pincus, who had the 1975 United States number 1 and UK number 11 single, Mandy. I don't know if I remember that.
No.
Also wrote Could It Be Magic?
No.
And Copacabana. Copacabana.
Copacabana.
Copacabana. Barry Manilow has scored over 25 points a game. What? That motherfucker was a basketball player, too.
He also scored 25 points a game in the Australian Basketball Association.
All right, ABA. Manilow has scored over 25 U.S. top 40 singles, selling over 75 million records worldwide. Wow. Had the 2006 number 1 album, The Greatest Songs of the 50s.
Fucking Manilow, dude.
Like I said, I used to always thought that guy was black.
There's
when I was a
whole
kid.
other genres out there that...
When I first seen his picture, I was like, my whole childhood was ruined. I was like, what? All this time, I thought this Barry Manilow guy was black.
No, he's a white guy.
He's a white guy.
Taking advantage of
With
the
a mullet. I think he had a mullet.
Yeah, he was weird looking for sure. June 17th, deaths. Guitarist Danny Cedrone died following a freak accident 10 days after he had recorded the lead guitar break on Rock Around the Clock with Bill Haley and the Comets.
Oh, man.
Session player Cedrone was paid $21 for his work on the session, as at that time Haley chose not to hire a full-time guitarist for his group.
Right.
He died of a broken neck after falling down a staircase.
Died of a broken heart, and then he broke his neck.